Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial where I will teach you how to make complex and custom shaped PCBs using Eagle and Fusion 360. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to get the complex shape. I decided to go with the outline of the map of Qatar. You can download it free from vmaps.com. So just download it to the desktop and then you can extract all, and then you can see the file. So I'm just gonna open it and check the file. Everything looks good, so just close all the windows and open it in Fusion 360. So in order to open an SVG, you can go to Insert and then Insert SVG, select the plane and then select the file that you want to import, hit Open, and you can see it has been imported successfully. So I'm just gonna go ahead and center it. This looks about right. So hit OK. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this text. Inspect it just to make sure it's okay. Turns out to be a little bit bigger than what I want it to be. So I can scale it. I can go to Modify and then Scale. Where is the scale? Yeah. Hit the sketch, click on it, and then select the scaling factor. 0.35 seems to be okay for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and inspect it one more time just to make sure the length is okay. Yeah, 47 millimeters is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and create the PCB. So created, then select the profile that you wanted, hit OK. So now the PCB has been created successfully in Fusion 360. So the next step is to save it. So I'm just gonna call it Qatar Map PCB, select the location for the project, custom PCBs, save. Once it has been saved successfully, I can go to Eagle and I can open Eagle, create a new project. I'm just gonna call it Qatar Map, and then I'm gonna create a new board. So now I can go to Fusion 360 and then I'm gonna select link to an existing Fusion 360 design. This is important because it will import the existing design into Eagle. So I'm just going to select my project and then select the PCB which is under this project. I'm going to pull from Fusion. It's going to take some time. And it has been imported successfully. So now you have a custom complex shaped PCB in Eagle. And now you can resume your workflow easily. You can check the board, you can check the dimensions, make sure everything is okay, and you can go ahead and save it now. Save it, call it Qatar Map PCB. And now you can actually go to the sketch, to the schematics, and just design a PCB, include some components. For example, you can include a resistor. I'm just going to select a resistor that has a 3D package. I'm going to go ahead and select an LED with a 3D package as well. And then just going to select a power supply and ground. Connect everything together, save it, and then go back to the board design. You can see the components. So I'm just gonna align them in my board. This looks right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect them together. There we go. Now hit save. Now it's really important to go to Fusion again, the side menu, and then push the changes back to the file. Just gonna take some time. It's okay. Close, and then I can go back to Fusion 360. As you can see, the board hasn't been updated yet, so I need to go back to my project list and select my PCB. I'm just gonna close it, and then I'm gonna reopen it with the new version that has been pushed from Eagle. And there we go. So you have your custom PCB with the custom components already attached to it. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.